In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome not opening. We'll go through a simple, reliable sequence of fixes, starting with the quickest wins and moving to deeper cleanup steps. Follow along in order and stop as soon as Chrome launches normally. Begin by restarting your computer. A fresh reboot clears stuck Chrome processes and memory glitches that can silently block the browser from opening. It's fast, and more often than not, it works. If Chrome still won't appear, force close it in case it's running in the background. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. Look for Google Chrome in the processes list and end every Chrome process you see. Then try opening Chrome again. This step clears those invisible instances that never fully shut down. Next, rule out a bad extension. Press Windows plus R to open the run box, then type or paste chrome.exe. Disable extensions and press Enter. If Chrome opens this time, you've likely got a broken or incompatible add-on. In the address bar, go to Chrome/extensions and disable or remove anything you don't recognize, recently installed items, or tools you no longer need. You can always re-enable extensions one by one later to find the culprit. If extensions aren't the issue, reset the profile data. Press Windows plus R, then enter %local app data %/Google+Chrome+user data and press Enter. In that folder, find the default folder and rename it to default old. Now open Chrome again. This creates a fresh profile, which often resolves corruption. Your old data isn't deleted, it's just set aside. If you sign into Chrome Sync later, your bookmarks, passwords, and settings will repopulate. If the problem persists, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it from Settings, then Apps. After uninstalling, restart your computer. When you're back on the desktop, download the latest Chrome installer from the official Google Chrome website and install it fresh. Using the newest version ensures you have all recent fixes and security patches. If Chrome still won't launch, try running it with elevated permissions. Right-click the Chrome shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can work around permission issues or blocked file access. Finally, make sure Windows itself is up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. System updates often include compatibility fixes that help applications like Chrome start correctly. Work through these steps patiently. In most cases, one of them gets Chrome opening again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back online quickly.